Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the logo size on WordPress Blocksy. Okay, as you can see here, we have our header logo with our title and tagline. It's awfully small. So let's fix that by going into the WordPress customizer by clicking on the customize button here on the toolbar. Let's click on header. And we have our logo here. Let's click on that. Let's scroll down a bit, and you can see we have logo height. Logo height is basically the size. So let's make it a bit bigger. 84, 100. 100 sounds like a good, nice round number. And depending on whether we're on mobile or tablet, we can change the size of that because 100 pixel logo is kind of big for mobile. So let's go ahead and change that to maybe 72. Sounds and looks good. Let's click publish to save our changes. Let's go ahead and reload our site to see if it made a difference, and it has. So there's how you change your logo size on WordPress Blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.